No, it's not. Thank you. Hello, Lacey. Thank you, thank you. Okay, I'll try to give you all the jackets, guys.
Happy New Year! Who else can I yell Happy New Year, Autumn. Where's Cass?
Thank you, everyone. I think I gave you all a jacket already, guys. Happy New Year. Thank you, everyone. Tony, Happy New Year. Future X, thank you. Happy New Year.
That
Lana,
sounds like a gunshot.
thank you, thank you. Mark, thank you, Mark. Happy New Year. Boss Meow, thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, now, that's it.
Hi, Timothy. Tim.
TB Odin, Happy New Year. Lacey Hopkins, Happy New Year. I gave you a jacket already.
Yay! Happy New
Z
Year! Momoy!
what's that? This
Happy New
LS
Year!
School. Happy New Year.
Lucky!
Hey, Tolex. Vera, thank you. Happy New Year. Oh, my dog was loose.
Hi.
Alright, oh yeah. Here, let me, Baseball Man 277. Hello.
Ew.
Happy New Year. Make sure I'm giving you all a jacket, guys.
That's
Oh,
so creepy.
hold on, my hand is freezing. Hello. Hey, Happy New Year. Happy New
Happy
Year.
New Year!
Luto, luto. Hi, Momoy. Happy New Year, Momoy. Happy New Year.
Wow, your voice
Oh, you're
is
so big.
deep. You're drawing? Voice is
El
deep. Oh
Narco.
my
Hello.
gosh, no way.
Yes, thank you,
Wait, say something
guys.
again. Oh my
Tolix Vlog.
gosh.
Happy New Year. Thank you, thank you. Hey, James.
Hi, Bubba.
Bowmaker.
Hey,
Hello.
come say hi to people.
Said hi. Hello, hello. Tolix Vlog. Thank you, thank you. Happy New Year, guys. Welcome 2025. We will have more blessing come 2025. Here in the US, it's just our New Year is just now. We're delayed.
I feel good.
Thank you, Alex. Woo! Laging kisig sa mga kilaw sa atin. Salamat, Mark. Thank you. It's so cold, guys. It's cold. So my kids already went up inside. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Let me see here. Yeah, that's still some. So cold. Okay, nothing there. There's some over there. Fireworks over there. Fireworks everywhere, guys. More blessings to come and stay healthy all the time kayong lahat diyan natin. God bless. God bless you din. Salamat, Mark. Thank you. God bless you. Kayo din, ingat. Just been busy. I was working today till late. Then we end up cooking something. And we didn't start eating till like 11:30. And then headed here, so we're still not done eating, but I think we're good. Yung ano no, Ay, too late na, no? Hindi, meron naman